How long do macaws live? Take a guess. Quiz. How long can the intelligent and loyal macaw, a symbol of the Amazon, live? The answer is B. Up to 60 years. These smart birds can be lifelong companions. Do you know anyone with a macaw? Tag them. Which Amazon bird stays silent? Quiz. Which bird species in the Amazon rainforest is known for the surprising fact that it does not sing? The answer is C. Spring bird, Springa, bellbird. Despite the name, its call is more like a hammer striking metal. Mind blown. Subscribe for more surprising facts. Harpy eagle's fashion sense. What colors? Quiz. The harpy eagle, one of the top predators, is noted for its beautiful feather patterns in which color combination? The answer is C. White, gray, and black. Majestic and powerful with stunning camouflage. Rate this quiz out of 10. How long is the mighty Amazon River? Quiz. The Amazon River, which nourishes the entire rainforest, is estimated to stretch over how many miles? The answer is B. 4,225 miles. The lifeblood of the rainforest, truly immense. Don't miss the next quiz. Tap the screen.